Hello and welcome back to Children's Reading Cove. Are you ready to read along with me? Let's go. Tag Wag, Storybook 5. Tag and Dan sat. Anne in a van. Wag, wag, wag. Tag ran at Anne. Tag sat on bag. Splat. Oh, Tag! Tag can wag. Wag, tag, wag. The end. When you are ready, move on to Book 6, which is a review of everything you have learned from books 1 through 5. Thank you so much for reading along with me. I hope you enjoyed our new original creation. Let us know in the comments below. Keep coming back, keep reading and practicing, and we'll see you very, very soon. Bye bye.